Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Napakabilis ng panahon. September na naman. So, marami rin tayong mga planets na naka-retrograde. Magsasabay-sabay at some point ngayong September. So, that's Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, at ang asteroid na Chiron. So, good luck. Be careful na lang, tread carefully. Yung mga decision making ninyo, pag-isipang maigi, okay? Iwasang magpadalos-dalos. And extra careful sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin ninyo, okay? So, this is a general reading, Aquarius. Just take what resonates. Maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, okay? Just remember that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Aquarius, let us see what's coming to you ngayong September 2023 for Aquarius. Aries act o taking action. If there is something that you've been wanting to do, no? Kahit ngayong August gusto mong gawin pero may challenge or may blockage sa'yo, by September, you are going to finally do something about it. You're going to take action. 8th house, mystery. 8th house is also about endings and new beginnings. Starting something new, releasing the old, embracing the new. So, maaring meron kang i-let go that is no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose. This is also about your finances, especially if it's business. So, kung gusto mong magnegosyo ngayong September, maaring meron kang ipupursue na business or investment, no? Pwede rin tong investment kasi 8th house is other people's money. It's time to act on it. Let's see what else. You have magical powers. Meron kang kakayanan na i-manipulate yung energy sa paligid mo. Some of you are doing or practicing witchcraft or any forms of energy healing or energy manipulation. So, use that to your advantage. And there's also blessing coming in sa inyo. I see this as business partnership for some of you. Maaring meron kayong papasuking negosyo na may kasama kayo dyan. Can be your loved ones, your friends. So what is your overall energy? 4 of Pentacles. Financial stability, financial security. You really want to have a stable na pagkakakitaan. And yung iba sa inyo, isa sa focus nyo is makapag-ipon. Financially. Na masasabi mo na meron kang sapat na ipon. What is your challenge? Knight of Pentacles. Ang challenge sa inyo is medyo mabagal yung action ninyo. Yung tipong kung ano na lang. Pwede kasing, halimbawa, gusto mo makaipon, may goal ka, yung gusto mo makaipon ng certain amount, or parang gusto mo lang makaipon, pero walang certain amount. So, mas maganda na magbigay ka ng certain amount na ipon Para alam mo kung nahi-hit mo ba yung target mo. Kasi kung sasabihin mo lang na, gusto kong makaipon, so pwedeng pag piso lang yung iaambag mo sa ipon mo, pwedeng 100. But kung meron kang sure na gusto mong yung projection na gusto mong ma-achieve at a certain period of time, then mas mapupush mo yung sarili mo to focus on how much you can save. Okay? So this is your opportunity. Page of Swords, learn something, research. Meron kang pag-aaralan related to your finances. Maaring nagiging interesado ka ngayon sa stock market or cryptocurrency, certain investments, no? But you have to learn about it. Kailangan pag-aralan mo to. And your blessing, you have the King of Cups. You're going to be more sensitive and compassionate to what you truly love, what you really want to pursue in your life. And mas magbibigay ka ng oras at panahon sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And also, maari ring mas magiging sensitive ka sa pangangailangan ng iba. Love, romance. Maaring merong mamumuong romantic connection or friendship or romantic na pwede tong sa friends, no? Pwede rin namang very very serious relationship. And then you also have recognition. Meron kang achievements ngayong September wherein people will recognize your work, your career, yung mga ginagawa mo. Okay, so you will be proud of yourself in achieving these things. Tignan pa natin. So yung money, career, finances. Attention, be careful in making decisions with your finances. Ayun na nga. Prioritize your needs over your wants as it affects the harmony in your cash flow. Yes, unahin mo na yung needs bago yung wants. Kasi kapag meron ka ng anything extra for your wants, saka mo siya pagkagastusan. Okay? Para makapag-focus ka sa savings na gusto mo na ma-achieve. Diba? You're going to work really hard. May ima-master ka na galing, abilities. You also have the Four of Wands. This is stability. Wow. Ganda. Alam nyo, Aquarius, pagdating sa money, career, finances ninyo, as long as uunahin nyo muna yung inyong pangangailangan, mas magiging maingat kayo, masinop sa pag-handle ng finances nyo, you are going to achieve major change, positive change sa inyong finances, sa business nyo, sa career niyo ngayong September. Kailangan nyo lang talaga ng tiwala sa inyong sarili, no? At lakas ng loob na kaya nyo yun, no? And then, your love life. Love life ng mga Aquarius for September. Family, ayan. You're going to focus your energy sa family mo, mga nagmamahal sa'yo, or pwedeng kung sino man to, pwedeng by blood, family by blood, or family by choice. Okay? You also have the Eight of Cups, Page of Wands, and the Tower. Maaring meron kayong ika-cut off na connection sa family ninyo. Anyone na you feel toxic or you feel na you don't really want na makasama na. Di ba ganon? Minsan meron talagang toxic sa family natin. Can be your kamag-anak. Pwede kasing merong biglaang tension around you na hindi mo na kayang tiisin. And you're going to walk away from that. And syempre, magpo-focus ka dun sa talagang totoong family na nagmamahal sa'yo. Invitation. The words you speak are an invitation to life, a request to bring energy into form. Choose your words carefully. Ayan. So, magiging maingat ka sa mga bibitawang mong salita, lalo na yung mga sinasabi mo sa sarili mo and also how you think and feel about yourself. Kasi yan yung na-invite mo na energy. Okay? So, kailangan, more on the positive side, encouraging words, and yung mga makakapagpalakas ng loob sa'yo, yun yung iisipin mo. Para yun yung ma-attract mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.